going to make an addition of integer very simple. Just note down the rules. Rule given here. I have written 3 rules. First rule, addition of 2 positive integers when you have. Second rule, what is the rule of adding 2 negative integers? Third rule is based on addition of 2 integers of opposite sign. So let me explain the first rule. On adding any 2 positive integer, the sum is positive. And simply you add the 2 numerical value and write. Simply add the 2 and write the answer. Second rule, whenever you have 2 negative integers to add, we add the numerical value and answer is always negative. You can see here, we add the numerical value and the sum is always negative. Third rule, to add the 2 integers with opposite sign. There are 2 possible conditions. Let me explain one by one both. Suppose if you add 5 plus minus 7. In this case, 5 is positive, minus 7 is negative integers. So always when you have 2 integers with opposite sign, we subtract the numerical value. 7 minus 5, answer is 2. Now the sign is always taken of the greater numerical value. It means here the absolute value is 5, here the absolute value is 7. This is greater and it is negative, so sum is negative. Second possible condition, suppose you have the number 8 plus minus 2. Again, the 2 numbers are with opposite sign. So, step 1, subtract the absolute value or numerical value. Answer is 8 minus 2, 6. Always we take the sign of greater numerical value. If you see 8 is greater and it's positive, so sum remains positive. So let me revise again. On adding 2 positive integers, the sum is always positive and we do addition of the numerical value. Rule 2, on adding 2 negative integers, the sum is always negative and the numerical values are always added. Rule 3, on adding 2 opposite integers, we do subtraction of the numerical value and sign of greater numerical value is carried. Numerical value means absolute value. Few sums based on addition of integers. I have taken from your exercise 4b. Let us see first question. Positive integer plus negative integers means whenever the 2 integers are with opposite sign, we apply third rule. So subtract the 2. 9 minus 5, 4. 17 minus 8, 9. And sign of greater numerical value is carried, hence the answer is 94. Hence the answer is positive 94. Second question, 176 plus minus 176. Positive integers plus negative integers. Operation, subtract the 2 numerical value. Answer is, because the 2 integers are same in numerical value, answer becomes 0. Third question is based on rule 1, addition of 2 positive integers. Do simple addition. 7 plus 3, 10. 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1 carry 110. Fourth question, 412 plus minus 506. Positive integer plus negative integer. It means, what should you do here? Subtract the 2. 503 minus 412. Answer is 1. 10 minus 1, 9. 91. Now let us decide the sign of this answer or the sum. Because the greater numerical value has negative sign, hence the sum is negative. Subtraction of integers. Before I explain subtraction sums, let me introduce additive inverse. You might have learned in class 5, the additive inverse is of an integer with opposite sign. For example, if it is positive 5, its additive inverse is minus negative 5. If an integer is minus 3, its additive inverse is plus 3. And whenever you add an integer and its additive inverse, the sum is always 0. It means 5 plus minus 5 equals to 0. Minus 3 plus 3 equals to 0. Using the properties of additive inverse, I will explain you how to convert the sum of subtraction into the sum of additions. After this, you all know how to add the two integers. The rule of addition. This is a key formula to convert the questions of subtraction into addition. Here you see, first integer is 66. Convert minus sign to plus. Second rule, additive inverse of integer 2. Here additive inverse of minus 12 is plus 12. And the rule of addition of two positive integers, add the 2 and write the sum. 2 plus 6, 8. 6 plus 1, 7. Hence the answer of this subtraction is 78. Next question. Again we'll follow the same rule. Write the first integer. Replace minus sign with plus sign. Replace the integer 2 with its additive inverse. Plus 52 converts to minus 52 equals to, if you see rule 2 of addition, when you have two integers with same negative sign, the sum is negative and answer is the sum of the two. 5 plus 2, 7. 5 plus 2, 7. Hence, on subtracting minus 25 minus 52, the answer is minus 77. Third sum. Again, let us proceed. First integer is minus 175. Minus sign, we replace with plus sign. Additive inverse of plus 98 is minus 98. Now, this sum converts to a simple addition of two negative integers. As you all know, addition rule 2, when you add two negative integers, the sum is always negative, followed by the sum of the numerical value. 8 plus 5, 13, 1 carry. 9 plus 7, 16 plus 1 carry is 17. 1 carry, 1 plus 1, 2. 273. Hence, minus 175 minus 98, answer is minus 273, or the difference of the two integers is minus 273. Next example, very easy. Take the first integer, write it as it is, replace minus with plus sign. Take the additive inverse of minus 36, it is plus 36. As you all know, when the two integers are with opposite sign, we subtract. 36 minus 36, hence the difference of these two is 0. With this, your subtraction sums becomes easy. So, practice more and more questions. It is not possible to give you much on the board, but practice makes you perfect. Once you are in practice of solving such questions, you will find much more interest in the subject. Our next topic is addition of integers on number line. You can see two examples. First example is 2 plus 3. Second example is 7 minus 9. First convert this into 7 plus the additive inverse of this number is minus 9, and it makes your work easy. First rule of addition, take that number from where you have to move. If you are adding positive number or positive integers, we move to the right of that given integers. How many units? 3 units. So 1, 2, 3. Answer or the sum of the two is 5. Example 2, 7 plus minus 9. First integer is 7. Let us move from here. Do you know sign indicate the direction? When it is positive, we move to the right. When it is negative, we move to the left of the given integer. So how many units you have to move to the left? 9. So let us take 9 steps to the left of the given number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Hence, the sum of these two integers is minus 2. Hope you are enjoying learning integers. Now next part is subtraction. If you see one question here, it looks difficult. Subtract minus 4 from minus 7 on number line. How will you proceed? First write in simple way. It means minus 7 minus minus 4. Next step, first integer as it is. Replace minus sign with plus sign. Take the additive inverse of minus 4, 4. Next, first integer. We have to start the movement from the first integer. If the second integer is positive, we move to the right of the given integer. If the second integer is negative, we move to the left of the given integer. Here it is plus 4, means 4 steps to the right of minus 7. Let us start first 1, 2, 3, 4. Hence the solution is minus 3. This is how with the help of number lines you can solve the sums of addition and subtraction. Till now I have explained you addition and subtraction of two integers. Now let me deal with these sums which are your exercise 4b question number 6. Suppose you have more than two integers to solve. Find the value of the following. In such questions, I'll explain you easiest way. So be attentive and follow the rules. Step 1. Collect the positive integers and add and make one positive number. 40 plus 30, 53. Step 2. Put plus sign and take the two negative integers and add them. 34 plus 21 is 55 and keep with the negative sign. Now this sum is simple addition of two integers. Here if you see first integer is positive, the next integer is negative. By applying rule 3, you can solve by doing subtraction. 55 minus 53, answer is 2, followed with minus sign as your 55 is with greater numerical value. Let us take example 2. Again, first rule, add the two positive integers and write here. 62 plus 38, 8 plus 2, 10. 6 plus 3, 9 plus 1, 100. Now, put the plus sign, take the two negative integers, add and make one negative integers. 45 plus 54 is minus 99. Now, this is your sum of simple addition of two integers. Again here, because the first integer is positive, the second integer is negative, we'll apply which rule? Third rule. And according to third rule, do subtraction. 100 minus 99, answer is 1. Followed by which sign? The sign of greater absolute value. Here 100 is positive, so sum is positive. Do more and more sums to gain more confidence in solving integers. The best type of sums these are. Homework sums are exercise 4b, question 5 and question 6, all the parts in copy. I know my dear children, you are facing problem without book. This is why I have attached these exercise questions with it. I know you all are very regular, so expecting best from you. Keep doing sums.